vegetable 4-packs for the fall: cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, lettuce, spinach, onions, the list goes on. This really is the gravy season. I know it doesn't feel like it, but after summer, a lot of your bugs are done with. These plants will last longer into the fall and growing into the cold than they do when you plant them in spring into the heat. It's a really nice time of year to grow all of this, and then especially on your leafy greens, your spinach, your lettuce, and so forth. Very easy to cut, turn around, cut again, eat, cut again, eat. It's always fresh and ready for you. We also have some fall hanging baskets, snapdragons, violas. We've also got your flowering kale. They do look gorgeous as we go into winter and then through the next spring. So come on out, take a look around. We look forward to serving you at the farm.